Hello, my name is Desiree. Welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel if you're already subscribed. And for today's tutorial, I am doing an everyday makeup tutorial. And if you're wondering why my foundation is already done, I did a review on the Benefit Bowing Concealer. So if you want to see that, please click on that video and watch it. So let's get right into this tutorial. Besides the Bowing products that I used from Benefit, I did use my Naked Skin foundation. I'm in 5.0. I did use my e.l.f. This is my finishing powder in medium, light medium. And I just powdered that down with my Insta-Ready setting spray from Physicians Formula. So the first thing I want to do is use my Milani. This is the eyeshadow primer that I've been using for like a while now, and this stuff works really good. I learned about this product from Emily Noel. I've been watching her for years and she swears by this product. So that's the first thing I'm going to do, is apply some eyeshadow primer to my eyelids, and I'm going to apply this all over the lid. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this little mini palette that I have from Too Faced. This is it's a chocolate bar, but you also get the chocolate soleil. I've had this for a while now. And I'm just going to take Salted Caramel, and I'm going to go in with the Vintage Cosmetic Company. This is step 2 for the shadow brush, and it's an angled brush. And I'm just going to tap this into that. And I'm going to use this as my transition shade. Now I'm just going to use a very little bit of this, and I'm just going to apply this here into my crease. And I'm just going to do the other eye as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take a different brush. I'm going to take, let's see. I think I'm going to take this brush. This is a shadow brush from Mary Kay, and I'm going to go in with this is the e.l.f. I believe this is called the Best Friend Duo. I have Pink Pal, and I'm going to take this lightish brown shade, and I'm just going to put that color into the brush, tap off that excess, and then I'm also going to apply this here into my crease. And then just do the same thing to the other eye. Whoop, a little more product than that into the eye. Okay, so now I am going in with this e.l.f. brush. This is the eyeshadow C brush. It's like a flat brush, but it also has this medium type of thing. It's not even, I don't know. So I'm going to go in with this shade here, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. Tapping off that excess for sure. That was a lot. Okay. And I am just patting this all over the eye. Bringing it up ever so slightly into the crease. Just a little bit. And then I'm also going back in, well, I'll take this brush. This is the crease brush, and I'm just going to go back in with that light brown shade, and I'm just going to go over that just a little bit. And then I'm just going to do it to the other eye. Okay, so now I'm going back into this Too Faced chocolate bar little mini palette, and I'm going in with this shade right here. This is Champagne Truffle, and I'm just going in with that same fluffy Mary Kay brush, and I'm just taking a very little bit of this and applying it here to my brow bone. And I'm only putting it here on the highest point. And again, just very tiny little bit of it. And applying it there only. Ooh, so now I'm going in with that same Salted Caramel, that transition shade that I tried earlier, and I'm going back in with this eyeshadow C brush, and I'm just going to take it here on the tip of the brush only, and then I'm going to smudge that under my lower lash line. Then I'm going to go back in with this shade right here. This doesn't exactly have a shade name. It's just a light brown, and I'm going in with that same brush. And then I am tapping off excess, and then I'm also applying this here under the eye. Okay, I don't feel like that is what I really want, so I'm just going to go in with this darker deep shade. This is semi-sweet. This is more of a chocolatey brown. And again, I'm going in with that same brush, and then I'm just taking this under the lash line. There we go, that's better. Now that's more like it. And I'm going to line my top waterline with my Sephora waterproof eyeliner, and this is in Black Lace. It's a matte, and I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to lightly line the top of my lash line. And I'm going to bring it down very, very lightly. And just with your finger, just slightly, just smudge it just a little bit. Not a whole lot. And the same thing with this eye. The next thing I'm going to use is this Double Decker Lashes by Butter London. I only tried this once when I first got it from my BoxyCharm. So this is going to be the second time I'm trying it. Let's see if it's good. So I don't really remember if it's good or not. Okay, so now I'm doing my eyebrows. This is by the Brow Gal, Tanya Crooks. I have brown hair 02, so it's a tinted brow gel with little microfiber little hairs in there. And I really, really love this stuff. I've been using this stuff non-stop for a while now, ever since I got it, and I just love this stuff so much. I will definitely be repurchasing. Like, this is the only thing I've been using in my eyebrows. You don't need anything else. You just put this in your eyebrows and you're done. You're just basically done. Before, I had to use my Flower Beauty eyebrow pencil, and then I still had to set it with something, but this does everything by itself. I don't have to use anything else. This stuff is amazing, and I did get this in a BoxyCharm. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, you should definitely check out my videos, because BoxyCharm is definitely the best. And I used to have Sephora's Play Box, and I used to think that was the best, but I was so wrong until I found BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm, hands down, is the best. The best subscription box if you really want to try different makeup from different makeup companies. Some of it is like indie brands. Some of it is high-end brands like Tarte or Benefit, things like that. You can definitely get like Butter London. I got that. Pretty Vulgar. I definitely got that from my BoxyCharm. And I've had BoxyCharm for about 3 months now, and I'm extremely happy with it. So that's something I would not like ever change, is my BoxyCharm. If I didn't get my BoxyCharm, I think I would seriously cry. So as you can see, this is like all I need for eyebrows. Like, I stopped using anything else because this stuff replaced everything. So see, one shop and you're done. Okay, so the next thing I want to move on to is bronzer. That's what I want to do. I want to do bronzer. So I'm going to do this, my Chocolate Soleil, and I'm just going to take my Sephora. This is the all over powder brush, but I use it for bronzing or whatever because of this little angled tip. As you can see, it has like this little like almost dome type, but it's also like circular. So I like to swirl this brush around in my Chocolate Soleil. And then I'm just going to bronze. And bring it up just a little bit here. And then bring it down. Maybe a little bit here in the chin as well too. Just while I'm at it. And just blend, 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 blend. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply blush. And this is my Pretty Vulgar blush. I'm still not sure what shade I have. I'm not sure if I have it in Hush Blush or if it's called Make Them Blush. I'm still not sure. I'm pretty sure it's probably Hush Blush, and maybe the selection is called Make Them Blush. So Hush Blush, and this is like an everyday pink type of color. And I'm using an e.l.f. angled brush, and I'm just going to take this so I can see better, and I'm just going to apply this here on the apples of my cheeks, and then I'm blending upward. So my next step is taking my Tarte's Pro Glow. I have Expose, the shade is called Expose, and I'm just going to take my Moda Beauty, this is the number 4 brush. I did a review on this a while back. If you want to check it out, I did review on these types of brushes by Moda Beauty, or I think they're called Royal, and this is called Moda. So I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it here at the back of my hand. I learned my lesson with this stuff a while ago when I first got this from BoxyCharm. I went in with a little like mini beauty blender, and it did not work. It just stayed patchy, but when I used it on this brush, it worked so well. So I'm just putting this here on the top of my cheekbone, and then I am just blending out, maybe bringing it in just a little bit there. See, when I use it with this brush, I get the most beautiful highlight ever. And I just use a little bit, like just the tiniest little bit. It goes a long ways. And then again, I just work that there, and then I just blend it out with this little brush. And then I get the most beautiful highlight. Okay, so last but very not least, I'm using my e.l.f. This is the Beautiful Bear Satin Lipstick in Touch of Blush, and this is a red type of shade, but it's not like very like in your face red. It's a very nice neutral type of red. See, it's just very like very subtle, very nice. This is the end of the tutorial. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, because it would just make my day so much. And this is just the type of look that you wear if you're going to college, or if you're in high school and you're a beginner, or if you're going to work and you want a very simple makeup look. This is just something, you know, you can do on an everyday basis. I mean, of course you can leave out a couple of stuff, like you can leave out highlighter, you can leave out bronzer if you wanted to. You could even leave out eyeliner if you wanted to, just to make your look more everyday, or if you have like very like strict rules or regulations at work. I think this is a very like put together type of look that makes you look very nice, but also it's not too much. So yeah, I mean, if you like this tutorial, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I do more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.